Hi, my name is Anish and I'm from Kerala. Recently, last 10 years, I was working on Tripura state tribals. Now I'm uh, in Kerala. I resigned my job. I like the culture and all the people who are suffering uh, to make their own land. I mean, for the tribes in Tripura. So I would like to sing a song. Uh, I know your language a little bit cockbroken. I have a lot of friends from different parts of your state. So I would like to sing a song. Okay, it's Wangshuma Angle. Uh, my language is Malayalam, basically, but I love your language and I love it. That's a song. Okay, now sing for the song. Wangsumangle nini hang jagmano manan honung bai hang jagmading li adiano honung bai hang jagmading li adina Wangsumangle nini hang jagmano manan honung bai hang jamading li adiano honung bai hang jamading li ano habawan shuke bus kaganogo mukul fioke bus kaganogo hang jamai tongo habai nono habo shoribo nini mono okaba nini hashitan okaba Thank you. I forgot the song, so thank you for the video. Okay, bye.